Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about trend, support, resistance and change in polarity. So now whatever you study right now is the basic of technical analysis. So you need to know these. So we start with trend lines. There are some trend lines which show uptrend, downtrend or sideways trend. So these are very easy to remember. Uptrend, normally this will be a trend in any stock price chart. Downtrend, of course, we know, and sideways trend. So normally it won't increase or decrease much. So on an average ऐसा कुछ तो भी होगा. So it becomes a sideways trend, meaning there is no uptrend or a downtrend specifically. Now trend lines, uptrend है, downtrend है, sideways trend है, out of which we'll start with uptrend. Price increases and makes higher highs and higher lows, and shares demand is more than supply. Demand is more than supply, that is why price will increase, I know. But what is this higher highs and higher lows? Try to understand. I'll make a graph here. See, the price is increased. अब ये low हो गया और ये high हो गया. Now let's say price has fallen थोड़ा and then it is rising again. Now this is a low, this is a high. Check. पहले जो लो था वो ये पॉइंट पे था, अब वो ये पॉइंट पे है. लेट्स से L1 to L2. सो दिस इज नोन एज व्हेन देयर इज एन अप ट्रेंड. ये L1 से L2 गया, मीनिंग हायर लोज. जो पहले लो था और जो अब लो है, पहले L1 था अब L2 है. L2 is at a higher point, meaning there is a new low which is L2 but at a higher point than L1. This is known as higher low, higher lows. Similarly ये H1 से H2, पहले हाई H1 था अब हाई H2 है. अगेन from H1 to H2 it is known as higher highs, meaning पहले जो हाई और लो थे और अब जो हाई और लो है, those are very different. मीनिंग जो पहले हाई और लो थे H1 L1 और जो अब हाई और लो है H2 L2, इसमें डिफरेंस है. एंड H2 and L2 are higher than H1 and L1, meaning when there is an uptrend the highs are higher and the lows are also higher, meaning higher highs and higher lows will be made. Now uptrend is drawn by connecting lows of the price charts. How is uptrend drawn? हर लो पॉइंट को हम लेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये जो भी लो पॉइंट है, लेट्स से ये, फिर ये, फिर ये, फिर ये और फिर ये, हर एक लो पॉइंट को हम कनेक्ट करते जाएंगे एंड दिस डॉटेड लाइन बिकम्स माय uptrend line. Now downtrend will be exactly opposite of it. So price decreases and makes lower lows and lower highs. Just like uptrend में क्या होता है, higher highs and higher lows. Now the price is falling. So quite possible ये ऐसा होगा, this price is falling. So now lower lows and lower highs होगा. So share supply would be more than demand. Demand is less, that is why price may fall. Downtrend line is drawn by connecting highs of the price charts. So basically now ये जो high है, ये जो high है, ये जो high है और ये जो high है, we'll connect these highs which is falling, और ये dotted line को हम क्या बोलेंगे, a downtrend line. So remember, whenever I'm drawing an uptrend I will connect all the low points. Similarly when I'm drawing a downtrend I will connect all the high points, which is of course in a falling order. And what is a sideways trend? Price does not move much, तो upwards भी नहीं होगा, downwards भी नहीं होगा, and supply might be equal to demand. Even if there is an imbalance in supply and demand, it will be net off or it will be approximately the same. कभी supply ऊपर होगा, कभी demand ऊपर होगा, and supply and demand, basically none of these will try to dominate. So there will not be any uptrend or downtrend, that will be a sideway trend. These were trend lines. Now let's study support, resistance and change in polarity. Now you can see a diagram in front of you. I'll try to zoom in. Now this diagram is in front of you. Y axis पे price है, X axis पे time है. So May से लेके July, then September, November and January. Now what is happening? ये जो line दिख रहा है, this is nothing but a price chart. So basically this line denotes the price. Now here ये top पे resistance लिखा है और यहाँ पे ये जो है support लिखा है, फिर यहाँ पर resistance लिखा है and so on. Now what is resistance and what is support? Try to understand. In simple words, resistance का मतलब होता है peak or a high point. Similarly, support का मतलब क्या होता है? It is a trough or a low point. तो resistance high point है, support low point है. Now what is happening here? ये जो resistance है, ये resistance ऊपर था और अब नीचे support आ गया. Then the price is moving up, then it's moving down, then it's moving up again. And फिर ये जो 2 है mark किया है, now this is a resistance meaning a peak. Then the price is again falling, again rising, again falling, again rising and so on. So how do we interpret this? So support is a low price range, as you see here. ये number 1 जो लिखा है, support is a low price range in which buying is sufficient to stop the decline in price. So basically, if this is my chart, I say if this is resistance and let's say this is a support. Support क्या है? A low price range, of course, because it is little bit at the lower side. But buying is sufficient to stop decline, meaning support level के नीचे कुछ नहीं जाएगा, वहां से increase ही शुरू होगा. So you cannot break the support. The lowest point will be the support. And now the buying is so efficient and it is voluminous that the price won't go down further, rather it will rise. And resistance क्या होता है? तो opposite of that, it is a high price range in which selling is sufficient to stop rise in price. See now here at this R, ये जो peak है, यहाँ से price will start falling धीरे धीरे, meaning now the sellers are dominating. So selling is so much that price won't increase beyond resistance, it will fall. What is change in polarity? Change in polarity means that once support point 1 is breached, it becomes resistance in point 2 later and vice versa. Check. In this diagram, ये जो 1 है support, वो same level पे resistance बन गया है बाद में. This is known as change in polarity. Price, let's say $100 पे support था here at point 1. ये प्राइस है $100. $100 का सपोर्ट है, देन द प्राइस इंक्रीज, देन इट फेल एंड देन ये जो पॉइंट 2 है यहाँ पे भी प्राइस 100 है, बट नाउ दिस हैज बिकम अ रेजिस्टेंस, मीनिंग द प्राइस वोंट गो बियॉन्ड दैट, प्राइस विल स्टार्ट फॉलिंग. इफ अ सपोर्ट बिकम्स अ रेजिस्टेंस or a resistance becomes support later, that is known as change in polarity. So basically what we have studied till now was trend which had uptrend, downtrend or sideways trend, then support which is a lower point, resistance which is a higher point, and change in polarity which is from support to resistance and vice versa. Now this was just basics regarding, you know, knowing these trend lines and support and resistance. How do we use these will be taught in the upcoming LOS. Thank you for watching this video.